Hi, welcome back. I'm doing a realistic reset today, starting the diffuser, putting a few things away, and cleaning up our new hallway mirrors. And later, I'm making an easy chicken teriyaki stir fry for dinner. Let's do a simple routine to make the space feel peaceful again. I'm doing what I usually do. I'm starting off with getting my diffuser going. Today I am using lavender and eucalyptus. Luckily today, all I have to do is put the dishes away. I currently do not have dishes in my sink that I have to wash. If you are watching this and you have dishes too, let's do it together, just a few minutes. I love the way the kitchen feels when everything is put away and quiet. I've been focusing on little resets like this because they make the whole day feel smoother. I always try to clear the dishwasher right away because it makes cleaning as I go so much easier. This is some leftover laundry from the day before. I don't always get to folding all the socks the same day I fold all my laundry. So I'll have leftover socks sometimes I need to do the next day. And then also I needed to fold my washcloths that I wash my face with when I take off my makeup. So I'm just getting these couple things done real quick so I can move on to my next task. So this is my husband and my son measuring. They are going to put up a new mirror at the end of the hallway that I got. I got it from Sam's and it's really pretty. It has a gold trim on it. So they're just helping me out, putting it up on the wall for me. I'm really liking my new mirrors. I got this one, and then I have another mirror that's leaning against the wall at the beginning of the hallway. I just feel like this is one of those small projects that instantly make the space feel more finished and a lot lighter, brings in more light to the house, and just lightens things up and makes the hallway feel bigger. Doing that good wipe down got rid of any fingerprints and any dust from installation. This was the other mirror I was talking about at the beginning of the hallway that's leaning against the wall, and I'm liking this one too. It's really pretty. It's right across from some windows in my living room, so it's reflecting a lot of light and just making the area feel really open and refreshing. I love when a quick home change gives you that fresh start feeling. Here's a quick view. You can see both mirrors. You can see the location of both of them. I think it turned out really good. But now that the main reset is done, I'm going to start dinner. This is a dinner I recently started making, and I really like it because it's quick and it's easy. I call it a chicken teriyaki stir fry. It basically has chicken teriyaki thighs frozen, and then I get a bag of broccoli stir fry and cauliflower rice. I use the cauliflower rice in place of the regular rice. I also use the liquid aminos in place of the soy sauce and a little bit of ginger. I like meals that don't have a ton of ingredients and are a little easier to put together. I don't like spending a lot of time in the kitchen every night getting ready for dinner. I start out by pulling out some frozen chicken and putting on a plate, because then I put it in the microwave and I defrost it for a little bit before I cut it up. I am cutting up the chicken. I probably should have defrosted it a little bit more because it's a little hard to cut through, but I'm making it work. And actually, if my husband was home right now, he's a chef, he'd probably look at me like I was weird on how I am cutting this chicken. He would not approve. As a chef, he does eat anything I make. So he's not extremely picky. Like, he'll come home from work and I'll have him taste it, and then he'll tell me what I need to add to it to maybe make it taste a little bit better, but that doesn't bother me at all. I just appreciate that he eats the food that I put together. I just put the chicken in a pan. I'm just going to leave it in there, let it heat up, stir it around a little bit before I put any other ingredients in. After the chicken is nice and hot, I put my vegetables in, the broccoli stir fry and my cauliflower rice, and I mix it up really good and let that all heat up. Now I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of the liquid aminos, which is in place of the soy sauce. And I'm just going to stir it up again. And then after I put in the liquid aminos, I just put a little bit of ginger all over the top. And like I said, if it needs more of the soy sauce or the ginger when my husband gets home, he will just put a little bit more in if it's needed. And that's it. I just stir it up and let it get really hot. Let it sit on the stove for a little bit until it's ready, and then we'll eat. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this gave you a little motivation and a calmer space. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more cleaning videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.